Hi everyone, welcome to Masumi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I turn off the television at night. I turn off the television at night.
I brush my teeth before I sleep. I brush my teeth before I sleep.
I drink a little water before bed. I drink a little water before bed.
I say my prayers before I sleep. I say my prayers before I sleep.
I close and lock the windows at night.
I close and lock the windows at night.
I tuck my child into bed. I tuck my child into bed.
I set my alarm for tomorrow morning. I set my alarm for tomorrow morning.
I read a book before I fall asleep. I read book before I fall asleep.
I turn off the light and get into bed. I turn off the light and get into bed.
Good night. I close my eyes and sleep. Good night. I close my eyes and sleep.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.